It's a backyard barbecue on a sheet pan. All week long, we've been praising the humble sheet pan, rolling out new ways that you can put it to work so you can throw that tray in and just let the magic happen. Dina Driggs is wrapping up our sheet pan party with her very own recipe. We are barbecuing, but there's not a grill in sight.
I know, and I'm excited about this sheet pan topic that we've been doing all week on Studio 5. There's just so much to be done with it, and it's such a great thing. This one has barbecue sauce, which makes it really fun.
I smelled it the second I walked in the
I know.
studio.
And the truth is, after you cook it and you bake it, it kind of has a teriyaki. It was interesting because one of your people on your set was saying to me, "Oh, this almost sounds like or smells like Hawaiian haystacks."
Oh.
And I'm like, "Okay, let's get going. And
Let's
I'll show
go.
you how easy this is."
So you've lined your pan.
Okay, that's the best thing that you have to remember every time you do a sheet pan dinner. You always need to line it because that's what makes cleanup so easy. And the whole idea of the sheet pan is easy.
Yeah.
How can we do this and just throw it together and make an easy dinner?
Be simple about it.
Ready?
I'm ready. Oh, I'll glove up.
Yeah, glove up. We've got chicken that's been marinating in some olive oil, and I've got lots of salt and pepper on it. Chicken needs a little bit of help.
Don't we all? I relate to the chicken.
Chicken just needs a little bit of help. And I obviously got too much in here, and we just don't need all that. Okay, we're gonna take all of our veggies, and we're gonna take, I've got red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers, and I've got these luscious red onions, and now we're gonna add in
Luscious. Luscious red onions.
Okay, your job is to
Whoa.
take that, and we're gonna take a whole cup of barbecue sauce.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna let you can toss it with your hands if you want to, or you can use this, whatever you would like.
Are you gonna think less of me if I use the spatula?
No, not at all.
I mean, I am gloved up, but the barbecue sauce isn't calling my fingers name.
Well, and the thing is, you're just gonna use a cup of it, and it's gonna coat all your vegetables.
Okay.
And the nice thing about that is you're gonna throw it on top, and then we're just we're gonna use our gloved hands to kind of move everything around in with our chicken.
I'm sort of surprised I'm coating the vegetables and not the chicken.
Right. But the thing is that it really, just dump all it in. Yeah. Okay, and now you and I are going to use our fabulous gloved hands.
Yes.
And we're just going to move it around.
Play around with it.
Yes. And to believe it or not, this is it.
Stop it.
That's it.
What?
Yeah. So.
We forgot the pineapple.
Okay, well, let's throw that in then.
I'm here to represent the pineapple.
You can cook this for.
Now?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Or was there pineapple already in there? No, that was peppers. Whoa.
I know.
Hawaiian party, aisle 2.
Okay, so you can use canned pineapple if you want to. I'm a fresh pineapple kind of a girl. I love the sweet and sour tanginess of it.
Yeah.
You throw this in the oven, and you're gonna throw it in at 400 degrees, 45 minutes to an hour.
Why was that so easy?
Right?
Yes.
45 minutes to an hour is all you need to put it in the oven. And then I would salt and pepper it again.
Okay.
Just to give it a little bit more seasoning. And then, this is a half a sheet because I've taken some out already for our display. But after it's been in the oven, you just take it out. And it's all just nice and lovely.
Dinner just got easier and more delicious, and you served it over rice?
I did serve it over rice. You could do it over noodles. When Jeff was talking about the Hawaiian haystacks, I thought, of course, why wouldn't you just buy some, Asian noodles and do that?
Yeah.
It just is wonderful.
Dina, thank you. Where can we get more recipes from you?
Please find me on dinasdiner.com, and I'm on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'd love to have you come and see what I'm doing in my kitchen.
Dina's Diner online. We'll link you over from our website, studio5.ksl.com. And that concludes our sheet pan party. It's been so fun to see all week all of these recipes that make dinner time prep, dessert prep too, all the easier with that humble kitchen workhorse, the humble sheet pan. So you can go to our website to see the recap of all of the recipes shared this week. And of course, we hope that recipe tab is a go-to resource for you anytime you need good food for the family.